afternoon po sa inyong lahat. First of all, let us thank the Lord for gathering us as we celebrate today the memorial of Our Lady of Fatima. And to share with you, nung ako po'y bata, ito ang unang-unang Marian activity na nasalihan ko at natutunan kong Marian hymn. No, yung kinanta ho natin kanina sa pasimula ng misa. And we go to different houses every first Saturday of the month, no, yung Black Rosary. And of course, some of us, if not all, are aware of the messages of Our Lady of the Rosary at Fatima doon sa tatlong bata na ang pinakabuod ay kapayapaan, no? Hindi lamang po sa nangyaring gulo sa mundo, kundi kapayapaan din naman po sa ating mga kanya-kanyang komunidad, sa ating pamilya, at sa atin din pong sarili. And of course, to continue to pray for the conversion of sinners, especially the poor souls in purgatory, and to pray and protect our Holy Father. In this celebration and our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I'm trying to somehow put into context the message of our Lord today in this celebration in our readings, particularly the Gospel. And if you will notice in our Gospel for today, it shows that the disciples seemingly loyal and devoted to Jesus. But when our Lord heard them and understands very well that when the time of testing comes, His disciples' true colors will surface. They will desert Him. In other words, they really have the lack of the strength in terms of showing their faith to Him. Maaaring pag dumating ang panahon na yon, magkukulang ang kanilang pananampalataya sa Kanya. I believe that this reality behind the story that we hear today is not remote to the time when Our Lady of the Rosary at Fatima appeared to the 3 children. And of course, in our contemporary experience today. I know a quite number of people who profess the Christian faith with much enthusiasm. But after they were struck with difficulties and miseries, they easily weakened and lost confidence in the Lord. To them, the experiences of pain, suffering, loss, frustration, similar difficulties indicate His absence. Most probably, my dear brothers and sisters, many of us feel the same from time to time. But it is precisely in these moments when we must understand better what faith entails. It demands that we must trust and hold on to the Lord firmly, even when hardships are pulling us down. It calls us to be firm and steadfast, believing that the Lord stays with us no matter what. It is good that we address this lack of faith, troubles, and difficulties that we experience as we celebrate today the memorial of Our Lady of Fatima. Because the prayer that the angel of peace taught the three children of Fatima, "My God, I believe, I adore, I hope, and love you." That we continue to profess that despite some insurmountable problems that come along our way. My dear brothers and sisters, occasions of trials will always come to test us and challenge the stability of our confidence in the Lord. It is our prayer through the intercession of Our Lady of Fatima that we all grow in faith, remain trusting, and become more convinced that the Lord is always there for us, together with our only one mother, Our Lady of Fatima.